Oh,
First, kahit sa
Hollywood beauty.
Hey, Mac Jude.
Mac Jude Marikit.
Mac Jude Marikit. Mac Jude Marikit.
Mark Jude Marikit.
Welcome to the Binibining Pilipinas 2021 Swimsuit Competition. As a marketing associate, Josh works in the foreign public industry.
pasaluneran ka na ni Catriona.
Wow! Patrayo na yan.
Mas slow mo.
Patrayo na yung aura. Oh.
Binibining 10 from Batangas.
Oh, Marine Mountain.
Maureen learned how to sew during the quarantine
Grabe,
period,
oh.
and now
Para siyang
she makes
siguan.
all of her own clothes.
Parang Julia Montes. Si Ana
Okay,
Arnold. Oy, tumiturn.
Masbate, Hannah Arnold. Hannah works as a sleep scientist, but also does modeling, a perfect combination of beauty and brains.
Ang ganda ng swimsuit niya. Francesca!
From Angeles City,
Payaday o payaday.
Francesca Tarut.
Oversuit.
Oo.
Actress and vlogger. Maria also takes pride in staying one step ahead of her
Tabaw sila.
adversaries as a competitive chess master. Philippines
25.
Honey Grace
Cartasano, go.
Becoming a teacher is among Honey's greatest
Oh, first, Cartasano.
Hollywood beauty.
herself in literature, learning other languages, and mountain hiking.
Ay,
Borongan.
Borongan. Wow. Wow.
Lava.
Lava. Tapos, Adarna. Adarna.
Water sports.
Wow! I love it, Bashano.
Perfect.
I love the walk.
37 from Oriental.
Hindi man pala nga. Feeling ko may susunod din na iya. Top 5. Ay, bonggan turn.
Oh, hi guys! Subscribe to Mac Jude's channel. Please subscribe to Mac Jude's channel. Subscribe to Mac Jude's channel. Subscribe to Mac Jude's channel.
Guys, please subscribe to Mac Jude channel. Yan, subscribe kayo guys. Nantay ko na lang.
Hello guys! Please subscribe to Mac Jude's